Welcome back, guys. Until now, we saw the basics of JavaScript as a programming language, or let's say a scripting language, but we didn't discuss it in the specific context of how it is used in web development. Now, in this video, we will concentrate on how JavaScript is used in web browser. First, let's see what is DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. It is basically a structured representation of your HTML document. It can be thought as a tree of nodes of the HTML elements created by the browser. JavaScript can be used to manipulate the DOM and its elements. Each node in the DOM has its own properties that make DOM object oriented. So, in this image, the document represents the window or the browser in which the page is being displayed. Then it has the root element, which is the page that is currently being viewed. If you are not aware of the HTML elements, take a look at the HTML for Beginners series. I have added a link to that in the cards and in the description. Inside the root element, that is the HTML element, we have head and body tag, and they have several children of their own. We have attributes that are associated with some nodes and values like text that are given to some nodes. These are all considered as nodes themselves. Let's now look at an example for this. We already know how to create a boilerplate for HTML. So we have a boilerplate and I have given a heading H1 with the text value supporting tech inside it. So now let's add JavaScript inline. The onload script creates a alert when the body element gets loaded up. So let's save this, go to our website, refresh. So when the body gets loaded, the alert says hello people. When you press OK, it says supporting tech. Let's go back to the code. We can always use the script tag for internal JavaScript, but always prefer using external JavaScript. So I have a file and named it dom.js. Let's create a link to this file inside the body below the h1 tag. So now let's save this. Go to dom.js. Inside this, so here we have a code document.querySelector h1 dot inner html equal to welcome back people. Now let's see what this line of code does. The document refers to the HTML element. The query selector searches for the h1 tag within the HTML element and selects the inner HTML in it. So in this particular page, the inner HTML in h1 tag is supporting tech, and then it changed supporting tech with welcome back people. So let's save this and go to our website, refresh. First we get a alert box. When you press OK, we get welcome back people instead of supporting tech. This is how we use JavaScript to manipulate the element of a website. We will learn more about DOM in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.